Happy New Year everyone. So it's January 2, 2025. So bigyan ko lang kayo ng update sa newly purchased natin na Allon Navi R2 na smartwatch. Regarding sa battery niya, so dumating siya sa akin on yung delivery ng parcel na to December 30. So around 3 to 4 o'clock. So 100% big charge muna natin siya up na maging 100% yung battery percentage niya. But now, okay, so 30 and now it's January 2, around 12 na po tayo. So 2.5 days most likely. Okay, or around 3 days na nakalipas. And guess what? So yung battery po niya is yan. So I hope nakita ninyo. So yan. So 9% na lang po yung battery. So for 3 days, 9% na lang. So kayo, sa tingin nyo ba? Sulit ba yung battery usage ko? O sulit ba yung power consumption niya? So sa Allon Navi R2. So for 3 days, 9% na lang. So comment down below your idea, suggestions, kung goods ba ang battery nito or not. So with that, Happy New Year. Have a wonderful 2025. Year 2025. So God bless you. Mabuhay.